Hello everyone. Today I will explain for class 10 chapter 2 polynomial exercise 2.3 question 2. Statement is check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. This is our second polynomial and this is our first polynomial by dividing like we have done first sum. You can check the previous video and then you have to tell it is a factor or not. When we divide, if we get our remainder 0, then it is a factor or either it is not a factor. So first we will divide. Two t raised to power 4 plus 3t raised to power 3 minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. You have to divide by t square minus 3. We will do the step 1. This polynomial first term, we will take 2t raised to power 4 and we will divide the first term of divisor, t square. What you get? 2t square. We will write 2t square as a question. Now 2t square, this 2t square multiply by divisor t square minus 3. You will get 2t raised to power 4 minus 6t square. Now we will write this here. 2t raised to power 4 minus 6t square. We will write below this 2t square, we will write minus 6t square. Now change the sign, put minus here, it is a minus, put plus here. Positive and negative cancel. Now 3t raised to power 3, this minus 2t square and this consider as plus 6t square, plus 4t square you can write and minus 9t you can carry here. Now second step, take this first term 3t raised to power 3 and divide by first term of divisor t square. You will get 3t. This 3t you will get right here 3t. Now this 3t multiply by this. 3t multiply by divisor t square minus 3. What you get? 3t cube minus 9t. We will write here 3t cube minus 9t. Minus 9t we will write here. Now change the sign, minus here and here plus. This will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. 4t square minus 12. Now next step I will write here. Step 3. 4t square. First term always we have to take. Okay. And we have to divide by t square. What you get? 4 plus 4 you write here. This plus 4 multiply by t square minus 3. 4 multiply t square, 4t square. 4 multiply minus 3 minus 12. Next step is change the sign. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. Our remainder is 0. Our remainder is 0. So you can write yes. What is the question? Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second. So you write yes, first polynomial is a factor of second. Yes, first polynomial is the factor of second polynomial. Polynomial. Now second part. First you have to check they are in standard form. Yes, they are in standard form. Now second polynomial You have to divide by first. 3x raised to power 4 minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. You have to divide by x square plus 3x plus 1. Same, you have to take step 1. In step 1, this dividend, first term 3x raised to power 4, you have to divide by x square. You will get 3x square. Write in quotient 3x square. Now 3x square multiply by x square plus 3x plus 1. 3x raised to power 4, 9x raised to power 3 plus 3x square. First step complete. This you have to write here 3x raised to power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. Now next step is change the sign. See, here is positive, you write negative. It is positive, you have to write negative, and this also negative. This will be cancelled. 9 will consider as minus, so you will get minus 4x raised to power 3 minus 7 and minus 3 minus 10x raised to power 2 and carry this 2x from here. Now you will do second step, minus 4x cube you have to divide by x here. You will get minus 4x. Minus 4x you have to write here and multiply minus 4x by x square plus 3x plus 1. But you get minus 4x cube plus 12x square, minus 12x square and minus 4x. That you have to write here. Minus 4x cube minus 12x square and minus 4x. Next step is change the sign. This will be positive, this is negative, positive. This is minus, you change into plus. Negative and positive will be cancelled. 10 is minus and 12 is positive. Remaining 2x square positive and plus 6x. Now these two carry from here, write here 2. Now third step, 2x square, this was second, this was first, and now third step. 2x square divide by this first term x square, you will get 2. Write plus 2 here. Now this 2 multiply by this x square multiply by 2, 2x square. X square multiply by 3x, this 2 multiply by 3x, 6x. This 2 multiply by 1 plus 2. Minus, minus and minus. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. And this is your quotient and this is your remainder. Our remainder is coming 0. So, first polynomial is factor of second. Because what is the statement? Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. If our remainder is coming 0, then it is a factor. If our remainder is not coming 0, then it is not a factor. Now third part. We have to divide, this is the second polynomial and this is the first polynomial. Step 1. Dividend first term divide by divisor first term. X raised to power 2. In the place of quotient, you write x power 2. Next step is this quotient multiply with this divisor. X raised to power 5, x square minus 3x, 3x raised to power 3 plus x square. We will write here x raised to power 5 minus 3 and here x square. Next step is change the sign. Positive change into negative, negative change into positive, positive change into negative. This positive and negative cancel. Minus 4x cube and this will be considered as plus 3x cube minus x cube and x square positive, x square negative cancel and carry this plus 3x and plus 1. Now step 2. This first term divide by divisor first term minus x cube divide by x cube, you will get minus 1. Write minus 1 here. Minus 1 multiply by this divisor, minus 1 multiply x cube minus x cube, minus 1 multiply minus 3x plus 3x, minus 1 multiply plus 1 minus 1. Next step is change the sign. This is negative, change into positive. This is positive, change it to negative. And this is negative, change into positive. This negative and positive cancel. This will cancel. Plus 1 and plus 1. Our remainder is coming plus 2. And this is our question. If our remainder is not coming 0, it means this first polynomial is not the factor of second polynomial, because remainder not equal to 0. So first polynomial is not the factor of second polynomial. Now I have discussed, maybe you understood. If our remainder is coming 0, then this polynomial is factor of other. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.